How to change roaming settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change roaming settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just you need to find here this one, mobile network, and then click mobile data, and as you see here we'll find the roaming settings, and you can disable it or enable it. That's it, it's easy. And then just go back, it will be saved, and you can change you can find it. Just swipe this one here and hold on mobile data, hold on it, and here we'll find it. And that's how to change roaming settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.